Like it's like 80% likely that you will get asked about the intermediate value theorem on the exam. What's the big deal? What does it mean? Suppose that f is continuous on the closed interval from a to b. When they say on the interval from a to b, they're talking about x. X goes from a to b. Let n be any number between f of a and f of b. That's on the y, where f of a does not equal f of b. They're on two different levels. Then there exists some number, c, within this range from a to b, such that f of c equals n. What in the world does that mean? That is a huge mouthful. Let me explain. All polynomials are continuous over their domain. So if I were to graph this, function, 1's over here, 2's over here. F of 1 is -1. So let's say it's somewhere here. And then f of 2 is 15. It's up here. Okay. This is our A, this is our B. This is 1, this is 2. F of 1, f of 2. We just said that the function is continuous, which means you can't draw, if you draw it, you cannot pick up your pencil. Is there any way that I can draw this function to get from here to here without crossing 0 or without it not being a function? Because this is not a function. That's not allowed. No, I have to go through 0 to connect these two dots on this function. That's what the intermediate value theorem is saying. Intermediate means in between, meaning to go from f of 1, which is -1, to 15, I have to go through every single number between -1 and 15 at least once. That's right, at least once. It could have 2 zeros for all we know. It could go like this. But we know it has to pass through 0 at least once to get from -1 to up to 15. That's what the intermediate value theorem is saying.